In this class, you're going to learn geometry nodes in a completely different way. Not by memorizing node setups, but by understanding how the system actually works at a fundamental level. My name is Ken, and I'm a web designer, 3D artist, and content creator. I've been using Blender for about 4 years now, and I've been constantly leveling up my skills and sharing everything I learn through courses like this one. And today, I'm going to prove to you that geometry nodes isn't as complicated as it looks. It looks daunting at first, but it's actually built on a few core patterns that repeat everywhere. And once you see those patterns, everything just clicks. And to make it fun, we're going to learn through a simple mental framework, the spaceship docking metaphor. We'll create a mothership, install docking ports on it, dock smaller ships, deploy the smaller ships, and build armies of sentinels to ride those ships. And by doing that, you'll naturally understand points, instances, alignment, and many of the concepts that make geometry nodes so powerful. We'll be working in Blender 5.0, so you're learning the newest geometry nodes system yet. And by the end of this class, you won't just know which nodes to use, but you understand the why behind them. You'll start thinking procedurally, and you'll even be able to read and understand other people's geometry node setups. Now, for your class project, you're going to build your own procedural fleet and an army of sentinels, or something completely your own if you want to put your creativity to the test. So now, are you ready to finally understand how geometry nodes works? If you are, let's go.